Hello friends, my name is Leonard Dominic and today I am about to show you how to replace the clutch cable of Honda CB Unicorn. Welcome to Leonard Dynamic Garage. Before we get started, make sure you like my video and subscribe my channel. Tools required to replace the new clutch cable in Honda CB Unicorn are 13mm and 12mm size spanner, cotton waste, and a new clutch cable. If your tools are ready, let's get started. Step 1. Remove the old clutch cable. First, we remove the damaged clutch cable from the Unicorn. Step 2. Cleaning. Before installing the new clutch cable, we will once clean the lever of the clutch properly. Step 3. Placing the new clutch cable. We start connecting at the lever. At the neck, there is a hook that guides the cable through. Then we connect the cable to the holder. Push the clutch and hook it up. And last, we tune the clutch cable according to our convenience. That's how we replace new clutch cable of Honda Unicorn. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell to get notified my new videos.